There are more than 20 chug play-alongs below to practice listening in to perfect rhythmic interpretation from 20 to 160 beats a minute. If you want to create your own chug variation, use the chug framework to hear the accent pattern while you practice. When practicing with these play-alongs, use the timestamps in the description to select a starting BPM and let the video gradually speed up 1 BPM per rep. You can find thousands more free play-alongs using the link at the top of each video's description, or by using the drumline playlist in my channel's home tab. For tips on how to practice these play-alongs, see the drumming tips playlist for several hours of free drumming tips from someone who's been playing drums since 1998 and is an award-winning educator who has been teaching since 2003 and has a bachelor's, master's, and PhD in music education. If you have a question on how to improve your playing or teaching, feel free to leave a comment on my videos or in the chat during a drumming live stream. Friendly FYI that videos labeled as members first are for members who want early access to hundreds of videos that are currently scheduled to release daily to the public. Click the join button below if you'd like to become a channel member for early access to all of my content, but know that the best way that you can support me for free is to simply engage with and share my free content with other drummers, educators, or gamers.